Today I want to share with you something that I get in my mail yesterday. We all get excited when we are talking about fishing. When we get those new things to the mailbox. Nothing more exciting except unboxing. I already opened it because I'm not very good doing the unboxing, but I want to share with you some of the bait that I'm going to be using today. Okay, lately I've been using a lot of jigs. The jig is my go-to lures in this time of the year, pre-spawn and spawning time, because in the spring there is nothing more exciting. I mean, all year around you can catch something, a fish on a jig. Nothing more exciting than that. I've been using this all-terrain flipping, pitching, and casting jig lately. This is really good all-terrain. What I like about this jig that you can use a lot of different techniques on it. You can flip it, you can pitch it, you can drag it in the bottom, and you're gonna have a lot of good results. I've been catching a lot of fish. If you want to see some good fishing action, you can check right here my Spanish channel. I haven't been posting this channel lately because I've been working on my Spanish channel. I want to teach some of my Spanish community how to fish, and also how to fish properly with the license and regulation, all the things that they need to know, and the techniques as well. So you can check right here some amazing bass fishing. So this is my all-terrain. This is a Eco Pro tungsten jig. I never tried this. I wanna try it. This is the same. I ordered like 8 of these all-terrain, all the same style, flipping. It's flipping, pitching, and casting jig right there. For you can use in the weeds, you can use against brush, you can use anywhere. This is really good lure. And also another lure that I really like to use is a swimming jig. This is swim jig is been producing a lot of big fish for me lately, so I'm gonna be using this. But something that I really want to show you, this is my latest bait casting. This is Lewis Tournament MB Speed Spool LFS. This is my faster Lewis so far. This is I think it's 8.3.1 gear ratio, 14 pounds of drag, maximum drag. And I have another Lewis, but I'm feeling that they do 7 point something. I don't know, I can't really see. This is my Mach 1. I think this is 711. But I've been feeling that when those fish bite really fast in the edge or anywhere, they bite the jig, they let it go. You lose a lot of fish because you don't have enough speed to pick up the line and set the hook. Sometimes you are waiting. There is nothing better than when you pick up the line and set the hook. You're gonna have a lot of weight in the end of the line. That is amazing. That is one of the best feelings about bass fishing. I really love that. I love using jig. But that doesn't feel good when you set the hook. There is nothing up there. You feel like kind of dumb because for some reason you lost the fish. The fish maybe just pick the jig and let it go. But sometimes you lose the fish because you don't have enough speed to pick up the line and have very nice and solid hook set. So that's why I decided to get this. Let's get into the fishing reel. Let's see. This thing, to me, the first look looks really awesome. Very low profile. It feels a little smaller than my other lures. I don't know. Maybe just a feeling. But maybe the same size. Maybe a little bit. I can feel. Maybe a little. Yeah, it is. It's a little smaller than Lewis Mach 1. But the gearbox, you can feel that it's really solid. It's big. It's very big for the reel. That means that it's made from something good, you know. It has a lot of power, cranking power, 14 pounds of drag. That is really good. 10-volt bearing system, and also very good looking reel. I like it. It feels very smooth. I'm gonna spool some 17 pound this line, fluorocarbon, and I'm gonna get some pigs. Stay there. I have some crown. Little one, but the finished jig never let me down. El primerito, huh? better one. Ooh, get off. Get off. That was a little better fish right there. I don't know what happened, but I lost two fish in a row. This is a nice one. The first cast I lost the fish. I don't know if it was the same or was a different fish, but look at this. Look at this. We're gonna let it go back to his nest. Oh my God. I lost 3 fish. Finally, I'll be able to land one really nice fish, but I don't know why I lost the first 3 fish. That might be the same, but I catch him. So let's see. Number 2 good one. Look at that one right there. Look at this beautiful fish. Chunky, maybe 1.5 pounds. We found the juice. Which is private, the lake? But the lake, the water is not private. Are you kidding me? I'm in the lake, I'm not in the property. I have permit to be in this lake. No, it's your property over there, that is private property. This is not private property, this is state property. I know where I am. There is a crazy lady right there. She thinks that this is a private lake, this is a state park lake, and that is the end of the property right there. She thinks that I'm crazy. Come on. All the outside people when we are fishing. You gotta get used to it. I'm moving my kayak when I hook a fish. There's some fish right there. Ooh, pale. Oh, this is a better one. Really nice fish right there. Oh my God. How do you like it? Nice one right there. Check this out. Close to 3 pounders. Ooh, I was just moving my kayak, trying to stay away from the shoreline. I don't want to bite this lady. And the fish bite. So let's take a picture of this one. Let me move. Go. Release it. Look at that. He threw. He got it. Oh my god. I got it. Go. That was side fish. Eso fue captura a pez visto. Lo vi cuando pasó y le tiré mi jig y él se lo tragó. Mírenlo ahí. Bonito. Eso. That was nice. That was really fun. I speak a little bit Spanish because I have another channel. So I'm gonna try that one in my other channel. There is two of them. Son dos. It's right there. Next to my face. Nice one. All the way to the boat. Check this one up. Check that one. Otro bonito. Let's see, can we catch another one right there? Alright, this is gonna be the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like my content, please subscribe, leave a comment. And thanks for the comment that some of you already let me on my channel. I really appreciate every single comment, every single subscriber. And if you subscribe to my channel because you like, thanks for the support. I really appreciate it. And unfortunately, I couldn't catch anything on my new fishing reel, but I feel good, feel awesome. I catch a lot of fish today. I don't remember right now from the top of my head how many, but I don't want to make the video boring. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you like, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.